Hi, my name is Kyle McCutcheon, and I'm an attorney here at Provident Law. My practice includes serving as outside general counsel to nonprofits, and I also advise business owners and handle real estate transactions. I also do estate planning for my clients. Today I want to discuss a trend that I've been seeing, which is that insurance premiums are really on the rise for both my nonprofit and corporate clients. So I'm sure many of you are likely experiencing this now. Some of my clients' premiums have jumped more than 20%, which vastly outpaces inflation. And I have a few clients that are even struggling to find an insurer willing to insure them. On top of that, if they are able to obtain insurance, many insurers are increasing deductibles. So it's just really a very hard environment overall right now. A number of factors are leading to the rising rates, the increasing rates. Some that come to mind are inflation and the cost of materials and labor, higher crime in some areas, natural disasters, rise in sexual abuse claims, sexual misconduct claims, and then of course, we're just really in an increasingly litigious society right now. So insurance companies are in the driver's seat in the current landscape that we're in. So what does that mean for you and your organization? It means your organization needs to make itself attractive to insurance companies. I'd really encourage you to take an inventory of your risks, form a plan to address those risks, and then execute on that plan. So let's use maintaining a safe working environment by way of example. Yes, this would include physical conditions of your property, but it also includes having solid employment policies, having adequate security to protect your patrons, things like that. So you really need to be thinking holistically about risk management. So by physical conditions, I mean if there's an unsafe condition like a leaky sink in the bathroom, you need to fix it. Don't just leave it. And if you can't fix it right away, mark off the area until you can. You don't want to create an opportunity for an employee or patron to slip and fall and to have them come after your organization for claims of negligence. From an employment policy standpoint, make sure to do an audit of your employment practices and your employment handbook. Ensure that you train your staff accordingly, and then you enforce those policies consistently. If you don't have an updated handbook, or if you do, but it's not enforced consistently, that creates all kinds of liability, and an insurance company might not be willing to take on that liability and risk. So I flagged these insurance concerns for my clients because it's important to be thinking about these things ahead of time. One reason is that you can take steps to mitigate risks and be more attractive to an insurer, as I've mentioned. But the other reason is so you can budget proactively for increased costs. Designate funds to properly maintain your property, but then also leave room in your budget for an increase in the insurance costs so that you aren't left scrambling to balance the budget. Or even worse, left to forego necessary insurance coverage, leaving your organization's long-term viability in jeopardy. So yeah, thanks for tuning in to hear about this important topic. If you have any questions or need assistance identifying and protecting your organization against the many risks out there, feel free to contact me.